I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is bricks. To successfully integrate with bricks, select Custom from the Form's Actions setting. Now navigate Bricks Page Builder, where use the form. Now select the form, click Action from the left sidebar, then select the Custom from drop-down. Click the Save icon to save the setting. Now navigate Integration page, select a form. Click Next. Search and select Actions. DirectIQ. Give here the client ID and client secret key. So please visit DirectIQ API token. Copy the client ID and client secret key. Paste it here. Authorize it. Authorization is successfully done. Now click on Next. Select a list. Map the respective fields. Here are advanced features in conditional logic. If you want, you can use it for your own requirement. Click on Next. Finish and save it. Now go to your form and type some information and submit the form. The form is successfully submitted. Now go to DirectIQ and you can see the data came successfully in DirectIQ. Thanks for watching.